cookies. So now we're going to add a Twitter feed to our homepage. So just come to the home tab, and I'm just going to add some sample text so that you get an idea of how this page is going to be laid out. So let's just type here, drag out a box. I'm going to say this wide, about 510 pixels wide. So I'm going to change this to trebuchet, size up to about 22, and color to white. Okay, so now let's just say welcome. Oh, I ignored all of that. Okay, just change this back again. Trebuchet. Okay. Now we're gonna come down for a new line and say, this is my website and some sample text. Select that. Copy it. Paste, 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 paste. You can see how the footer moves down as I add some more content. Paste. Okay, so now again we're just going to select this stuff and change the size down a bit. There we go. Alright, so now let's go ahead and add the Twitter feed. Again, we're going to use some code, but I've typed that out all for you, so you don't have to worry about it. And you can get it by going to the link in the description, following that, and eventually you'll find a page that has all the code on it that you can use. So, let's come up here, and this is the code. Circle this, copy it, again, object, insert HTML, paste. Okay, so there's a couple of things you need to change so that this works for your account. Firstly, come down to about a third of the way down, and you can see you have this var URL here. And where it says Duckhouse Prods here, simply change that to your username. Okay, also, depending on how many tweets you want to display, change this number here where it says and count equals 3. I put 3, but you can have 4, 5, I think you have up to like 50, so that's whatever you want to do. And secondly, come down here all the way to the bottom and change Duckhouse Prods to whatever you want it to be. So just press OK. You can see it loads for a bit because it has to read the HTML, and there you go. See, it's grabbed our recent tweets and displayed them. There are also things you might want to change. You want to change the colors, etc. Go to HTML, and you change this line where it says Twitter position, etc. You can change the background color, which is this thing here. The higher the number, each number stands for a channel, so that's R, that's red, that's green, and that's blue. So right now all of the green and blue are 20%. You can write the same thing like this. It just means you don't have to bother writing out a 2-digit thing for each one. And that creates a grey colour. You can also change the heading, and that's full, which means white. But you can also go to a website such as colorpicker.com. Choose a nice colour, all of these stuff, and it will copy this code and paste it into here. So in the next tutorial, all I'm going to do is show you how to add a slideshow and to the show you how to add a slideshow to the portfolio, and how to add YouTube videos and Vimeo videos into that. And then after that, we're going to do some cleaning up. And I'll see you next time. By the way, subscribe to us on Twitter. Not subscribe, follow, sorry. @DuckHouseProds.